Hey guys, welcome back. If you have been thinking about editing an extra layer of security to your Samsung Galaxy phone, you are in the right place. Today I walk you through how to set up a fingerprint lock step by step. It's only take a few minutes and it's one of the easiest way to keep your phone secure. So let's get started. First thing first, open the settings app on your phone. Once you are in the settings page, scroll down a little. Here you can find the security and privacy or lock screen and AOD. You can tap on anything. For example, I am tap lock screen and AOD. Once you are in the menu, tap on the screen lock and biometrics option at the top. For security reason, first of all, enter your current password. After verify to enter your password, here you can see the various options. Look for the fingerprint option at the bottom. Tap on it. Then hit continue. After that, tap on register, and this time you can press your finger inside the circle. Leave it when the circle is fully highlighted, then press again. Make sure to you can press again the fingerprint section. Non-stop be your fingerprint register. You can follow by prompt to press the sensor again. Also again, make sure to you can complete the 100% process. After fingerprint added, if you decide to use added more than fingerprint, simply tap on the add button. Or if you decide to, if you don't add, and automatically your fingerprint added done, and that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy is now protected with a fingerprint lock. To check it work, simply lock your phone and unlock it by using your fingerprint lock. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time. Bye.